Hi millionaires, this video is for you. You can see that this man uploading just a short and he gain huge amount of views in just in a shorts. So you can see that 3 days ago uploaded and 242k views, and in the 3 days ago and he gained almost 1.1 million views. So you can also upload this type of shorts and you also have a huge amount of money in your hand. So become a millionaire. So watch this video. Here is a channel tool tips. You can see that he just uploading a shorts on his YouTube channel. So you can see that you also make a YouTube channel. Your channel will be growing in a few months, in just a week. So you can see that I have a strategy. So how can you grow in just a week? So you can see that he uploaded 1 day ago and 70k views, and he just uploaded a daily uploader. So he upload daily 3 videos in a day. So you can also upload videos on your YouTube channel. So you will become a millionaire. So how can you create a content same like this and upload your on your channel? This is like a copy paste content. So don't be worried, just follow me and you will become a millionaire in a short time. You can see that I open his YouTube channel stats. He earned almost 1.3 million dollars in 1 month. How you imagine? You can see that he gained views almost 328 million views in just 1 month. The graph of the you can see that is moderate. It means you also work on this and become successful. So subscriber is also increasing. It means persons are attract this type of niche. So you can see that you also work on this niche. So don't worry, I will explain all the things. So you can see that he earned almost 50 million dollars in just 1 year. So you can make it and you will upload this type of niche and you earn more than this than him. So just follow my steps. So you can see that graph is also increasing. I will show again. Subscriber is also increasing. I will show again. So you can see that. Now move to the content. He generate almost huge amount of money in a short period of time. So please subscribe to my channel. Then we start to move to the next steps. So now we move to the steps of how can you create this type of content. So first thing I want to show you how can you create this type of content. Here is that. I just search on you search on a YouTube, type YouTube shorts and enter plus and then wood. This is your category. This category you should work on it. So just click on a wood, type wood and then click enter. Once you click enter, it takes time according to your internet. You can see that he uploaded a one video and 4.4 million views. So you can also may download this type of how can you can have a content. So go to the Google and type TikTok and sign in with your Gmail. So simply I just log in my Gmail with my Facebook. So this is a platform where you can download your content and upload a Facebook and upload a YouTube. So simply this is the easiest way. So you also can upload on your Instagram and Facebook as well. So both you just take up content from there, TikTok, and upload over there. This is a copy paste content. So just follow my steps. Here is that. I just type this type of person name Dusty Lumberco. So this person has a huge amount of content on his channel. So also you can also find many other channels creators. So you can download from it. I just find a for you. So because this is very unique. So here you can see that I just take a one reel from his TikTok account. So I just find I just hold as for you to how can you see this type of content. Here just open a reel and copy the link from the site. And how can you download it? Simply type TikMate on Google and enter, and click on the first site. So if you are here at this time, so please subscribe to my channel and like. I shall be very thankful to you. Copy the link again. The link is there. Copy and paste it and click on the download. and video has been downloaded from the left side, so you can see that. Now go to the next site, Canva. So you should go to the Canva Pro. I have a Canva Pro in my second channel, so you can download from him. I just send a link in my description. So type YouTube Shorts. Once you type to user, create a blank YouTube Shorts, not select any other one, because this is the perfect size. And then simply go to the uploads. From the left side section is a option is there, so you should go to the left side of uploads. Click on upload files and upload a video download from the kitmate. So you should drag to the main bar and resize it to the main hall. And I will other show you how main thing is that the don't click strategy is the main thing. I will explain in the next part is a don't click strategy. Now you can see that the content has been 70% complete. Now click on to the plus icon and type don't click in the description pinned comment. Type on that. Once you type on that, it means most of the person, when you ask them this, you should not do this, so then person have curiosity to do this. So this will be help you to generate your sale, and you earn a huge amount of money from Amazon and also other affiliate link as well. So also you can earn from the YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts also eligible to monetize on your YouTube channel. This is a YouTube policy, so you can also avail this type of functionality, and also you earn from his affiliate link. So this both earning platform is help you to become a millionaire. So I just set it to make a beautiful, so you can see it what I am doing. So here is the content has been ready. I just sent to change a background color. So click on the download. Once you click on the download, your content has been ready. It take almost 5 to 10 minutes to create a one video. It means in 1 hour you create a six video. It means 2 days content has been ready in just in 1 hour. So simply go to the Amazon affiliate, go search on the Google. See, Amazon creating Amazon affiliate is the easiest and a simple process. So don't be worried, you can also create it. So simply go to the tools and click site strip. So you can easily create your affiliate link. Just follow the steps of your PC. Then simply here is that. Simply enable it. Most of the time it's disabled, so it's enable now. So you can enable it, and then click on the plus and type amazon.com to copy the link of your affiliate product. In the next video I will all explain the strategies of Amazon, how can you promote a product and how can you this. So simply I just type a wooden box. I just explain it how can you promote this type of product through the, because the video is ready to wooden box, so it means you also promote a wooden type of box, wooden type of product. It means your content, your earning will be on the boost level. I just select a video because this type of product so is the highest running product on Amazon. So you can see that the highest reviews is 6,532 ER product has been already sold. So this is the highest. Simply copy on the get link text and copy the shorten link, and then I will show you how can you upload it. Simply click on the upload and select it in the first video. Click on this is my video that I downloaded from Canva. So how can you create a title, tags and description? So simply don't click strategy is here. Don't click. So simply to paste the link. Once most of the time they were face hurdle when they think that never click on this. They have curiosity and click on it. This will help you to increase your sales. This is an amazing strategy. I have realized that, then I will explain you. So please subscribe to my channel and hit like button and leave a comment from me. Simply go to the again type YouTube Shorts to copy the title. And how can you this type of title? Simply click on it and simply click on the filter and select to the 1 month, this month. Click on the this month and again go to the filters. I will show you this. He uploading just the highest views in just he uploaded 6 days. And how can you calculate this amount of money? For example, if your video is gain 1 lakh views on your video, it means is a 1% conversion rate is too small, but I will show you this it is a way really less than less. So for example, you gain a 3% commission from Amazon. It means you earn almost $3,000 from just one video. So how the strategy is amazing. So just follow it. So upload a title, paste a link. If the link is red, then it means your verification is not good. So it admits at this time I just copy this type of short because he uploaded 10 days ago and gained 3.4 million views. So paste on it. This is copy paste content. No need to create thumbnail and no your title and tags are very extremely important. So scroll down and location you should upload as United States, because from United States you earn a lot of money. So click down. How to style is your education, so select it. And tags are extremely essential for you. It will help you to boost from the initial state. Type wooden working. If you have any other type of in your mind, then you can also type it, and type other what I am typing, you also type it on it. And if you have your own mind, it is a 500 limit, so you can also upload type on the tags as there. So here you can also follow the steps. So please subscribe to my channel and like button. I say again and again, so because my channel is new, so I will show you. So here is that I want to show you, because this is no copy issue is there, so you can also upload it. There is that no any type of content, no copyright issue is here, so you can upload any type of video as there. So if you really like my videos, so please subscribe to my channel and so follow the whole tips I was explained. So subscribe to my channel and hit like button. Thank you.